Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best way to convert your video or audio into text, basically the transcription action. Moreover, this model can be run locally and all the industry is using this model because this is the benchmark for best performance when it comes to transcription function. Yes, I am talking about OpenAI Whisper. OpenAI Whisper and its models are available free to use, and you can download the models and use them locally, even build APIs on top of it as well. So in this video, let's understand how to use OpenAI Whisper for transcription locally, and in the later part of the video, I will also show you an automation that I've been using for a while. So first, what you need to do is you need to create a virtual environment and install OpenAI Whisper. OpenAI Whisper comes in like 6 different variants: tiny, base, small, medium, large, and turbo. You can check out the minimum amount of VRAM needed for each model. So based on the VRAM availability on your local machine, you can choose the model. Now let's look into small amount of code to understand how we can run it locally. Here I am creating an instance of the model. Since I have enough RAM, I am using turbo, but you can use tiny, base, small or medium based on the VRAM availability. Then what I am doing is I am chunking the whole audio into 30 seconds part and then use Whisper to transcribe the 30-second part of the audio. The reason behind doing this is I have found that sometimes the whole audio was not clearly converted into text or transcribed. So let's try to run this. I already have an audio with me, so I'll copy the path of the audio. Let's say in case you don't have the audio file with you, just video file, what you can do is that use Audacity or any similar tool to convert video into audio. So when I run this, yeah, my bad, it should be main.py. You can see the transcription is done. First, it has detected the language and then done the transcription. I have that transcription with me. You can see the transcription. Since the audio is recorded by me, I can see that it is clearly and accurately transcribed. Now I will show you how I'm using this audio transcription for my workflow. So on my YouTube channel, I upload videos almost daily. In order to generate YouTube title, thumbnail, tags, and other relative things, I run a workflow. I have created 2 workflows, one for OpenAI and one for Claude. On Claude, I have created skills and I use those skills to generate everything for a YouTube video. Let me very quickly show you the OpenAI one. So here I'll go to my OpenAI and paste this, and I'm saying that I have recorded a video and here is a transcript of it. Help me create engaging title, description, related comma separated tags and a LinkedIn post for the video. And when I do that, it generates everything for me. So I guess this is it from my side for this video. The code I have used to generate the transcript from audio is available on my GitHub, and the link for it is in the description of the video. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.